My lovely fans, Lynch Edochie reached out to me Edochie and told me Edochie to be very, very careful. Very, very careful, because inside his family, there is a kind of evil plan against me Edochie. He said, me Edochie, be very careful. Be very, very careful of his own family members right now. From now on, be very careful of them. Any call you receive, any message, any WhatsApp message, any call, be very careful. Anything you want to say, be very careful. Think twice. If you know say that matter, you don't know. If you know say that matter strong, well, off the phone, think again before you call anybody. Me Edochie asks, what is happening? Lynch Edochie say, he go give you the details, but for now, just take it from him. Anybody that calls you from his family, be very careful. My lovely fans, now know say you come outside today, saying they 20 million naira debts. Saying they hold 20 million naira. This 20 million naira debt, your mama don't cry. The woman voice not dey work again. She don't cry. Say, you can't reduce to this extent. You will be one of the best. 20 million naira. Your mama don't cry. They don't console her. The woman not dey yell. The woman don't cry. Now Lynch Edochie can say, this 20 million naira is still a shock to him. Because you no get office. You no get, you don't even pay tax, no open company. How come it hold 20 million naira? He won't know the details of this 20 million naira. Wonder shall never end. My people, make una carry share, carry joko, come sit down. The way karma take hit you, me myself, I still dey ask God, say, God, this karma, can you survive it? So, during the time when you come out, come dey brag, say, he opened Isimiri Jofo company. So, during that time, Juju Ekwensu brother, use your company to borrow money. Una don dey see where the debt for the come. Ekwensu brother, use Isimiri Jofo to borrow 10 million naira. 10 million naira. Now Juju Ekwensu brother, use Isimiri Jofo to borrow for their neck. He did not tell them that he borrowed money with Isimiri Jofo. But according to the Lynch Edochie, they say Juju Ekwensu know about it. Now only you, now I don't know about the money. Juju Ekwensu know about the money. He knows say brother won't use Isimiri Jofo to borrow money. Because you Juju Ekwensu and you now sign to open Isimiri Jofo. So definitely they don't fit give Juju Ekwensu brother money without one person from Juju Ekwensu and you not sign. So how did Juju Ekwensu brother borrow 10 million naira without the signature of you and Juju Ekwensu for Isimiri Jofo company? That means Juju Ekwensu follow his brother go bank. They go borrow 10 million naira on the head of this company. My lovely fans, things they happen. Devil really conk you head. So that 10 million naira, Juju Ekwensu pretend as if she don't know anything. Now they brought 10 million naira from the bank for you to pay, because Juju Ekwensu brother not pay. Interest can't join. At the end of the day, the total amount for them to pay is 13 million. Now they need to pay. You and Juju Ekwensu romancing mami water. You way dey, he no know wetin dey happen. Now his brothers go waka for this money because of the letter when you forward go give your papa. If papa come forward down, go give Leo. Leo comes forward and go give Lynch. Now Lynch now come waka with that letter. Come waka carry lawyer join body. Say what? How will his brother be in debt of 20 million naira? How will he be in debt? He no buy house, he no buy car, he no do anything. So the brothers, now they can't tell Lynch, say me go find out. And they find out, say, see that paper, na Juju Ekwensu brother Now I borrow money and Juju Ekwensu signed. She was the one that signed for the brother to borrow that money. So after they find out how they take borrow that money, Lynch Edochie reached out to some people that are close to Juju Ekwensu. Now there they come open the secret of Juju Ekwensu and Yoyoyo. Make una carry joko, make una carry chair, make una come here tori. Before I go into the details, let me welcome you to my wonderful and amazing channel, Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. And to all my wonderful subscribers, may God Almighty bless you. So, according to Lynch Edochie, he said Juju Ekwensu and Yoyoyo na sit down planner according to people that are close to them that expose this thing to Lynch. He said Juju Ekwensu romance Mami Water and Yoyoyo come sit down when they see the debt wey dey their neck. He said Juju Ekwensu and Yoyoyo sit down. They go calculate the money when May Edochie family prayer. He said now they say, hey, all those money for one person. May Edochie can pay this debt without even blinking her eyes. May Edochie can survive them without even blinking her eyes. Now Yoyoyo can't tell Juju Ekwensu say, May Edochie get soft heart. Make them use the papa take cash May Edochie. Lynch Edochie said that was how these two people plan. The money they are owing is 13 million. They can't put extra 7 million joiner. According to them, May Edochie can pay it. After all, the family of May Edochie, they spread out thousands of dollars in a show. So therefore, that money where they spray, she should chook hand for inside the money and use it to help Yoyoyo. Now they hear what they happen. So that is their plan. That's why Grandpapa say in the wheat, make May Edochie come, make it beg May Edochie. They say now Lynch Edochie come tell Papa say, Papa, are you part of this plan? Now Papa say, how? Now Lynch Edochie tell and say, why will you say you're waiting for May Edochie to come back from Ghana? Make you beg her, make she pay debt where her ex-husband they owe. Who does that? How will she pay their debts? For a man who don't put another woman for her born children, you want the ex-wife to come and pay the debts. Now Grandpapa say, no be say in the wait for May Edochie. The fact is that May Edochie is his only hope. The only person who believes say if he help him. Because May Edochie gets off that. May Edochie is the only person he think that can help them. Now Lynch Edochie say, why will your mind go to May Edochie? Why your mind not go another person? For a woman that is no longer his wife. Now Lynch Edochie asked Grandpapa Pete, say, are you sure? Say, you not sit down with the Yoyoyo plan this thing. Because in the shock for waiting the year now. The people when he asks information, they tell and say Yoyoyo and Juju Ekwensu. Yes, they are owing 30 million naira debt. That debt is the money that Juju Ekwensu brother go use his Simili Jofo company. Because then go right in a company. Whereas now one room. They go use that thing to borrow money. And we waiting the year Juju Ekwensu purposely did what she did. The brother now carry money. They no pay bank money. Interest, everything, capital, how don't increase. The money is 30 million naira. Then the remaining 7 million naira when they on top. Now don't wait Juju Ekwensu and you say they want chop from May Edochie hand. How can husband and wife sit down and be planning on how to collect money from an ex-wife? Why would they be so confident that May Edochie will be the one to pay? Why? Now Papa say he no know one, he no know two. For inside wetin dey happen. Now make Lynch Edochie call May Edochie. Because what is happening look like a plan between Juju Ekwensu and the papa. How will Juju stand and believe that me Edochie will pay his debt? Woman wey you know they talk. And how is it that Peter Edochie, the first person that comes to his mind is me Edochie? Wait, now the money wey me Edochie family give me Edochie, now they don't calculate oh. Una they see enemy monitoring spirits. They say they don't sit down, they don't calculate the money. They say na Juju Ekwensu talk that word. Say make me Edochie bring the money, make they chop. Why would she be stingy? Make she bring her. So from 30 million naira to 20 million naira. And they are expecting me Edochie to give them 20 million naira. Me she give them when she get picky. If me Edochie not get wetin won't use 20 million naira do, you know go throw it down for a picky account. He go throw it down for Zin account. You see how wicked these people are. He said the person that told him this whole thing, the person tell her say, make he advise me Edochie say, even 1 naira may not give them at all. The moment me Edochie money touch their hand, they will use it against her. Anything money, anything valuable, me Edochie should not give them. If it's money, they will use the money. If we give them something valuable, they will use it against her. They just want that money. They feel cry, say, okay, even if it's 5,000, 1,000, anything at all you have, that anything at all you have, now they will say attack them. Now they can't tell Edochie, say, me tell me Edochie, say, make it not release 1 naira for them. If she release 1 naira, now she will pay the 20 million naira. Because Juju Ekwensu has gone that far. Una they see what they happen. Juju Ekwensu brother, now he borrow money. The Isimiri Jofo, Juju Ekwensu brother, now he use Isimiri Jofo to borrow money for bank. The money now he not fit pay him. Useless and wasted the money. He couldn't use the money to do any good thing. Now they want me Edochie to pay. Grandpapa say me Edochie is his last hope. How? How is me Edochie your last hope? Lynch Edochie say it no go happen. He say it no go happen. He say Juju Ekwensu will go pay that debt, he and his brother. And yo mama they as they cry. How did you get into debt to? Make una come here it enter debt to 10 million naira na Juju Ekwensu use yo head to collect. So now the money where they spray me Edochie, now it enter these people eye. Thank God that me Edochie protect herself. Oh. This is how the enemy operates. Monitoring spirits, evil soul. Go and work hard, Juju Ekwensu. Go work. Go work and leave me Edochie alone. So the money where me Edochie family sprayed her in Ebonyi State. Now you are you fold down, fold leg. The wait made this woman can't pay for now. You people did not even cry for the money we did on her neck. Una go add extra 7 million naira. Say me Edochie go pay. The person that told Lynch Edochie, he said it's not ordinary. Once me Edochie give the 1 naira, they will put her inside one pot. They go collect the 20 million naira. Now the year story. Now the year story. Very soon now this life, you person not even they give beggar money again. Because you don't know his who anymore. They have become so wicked. Maybe, for example, now they, as they cry, me Edochie comes, okay, may I pity them, more than take this 10,000 naira. They will go and put it somewhere. Now so the me Edochie will come, they release the money. You see how wicked human beings are. Hey, one dash shall never end though. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.